I'm honored to be here. We are a young company. Merkator, we started 13 years ago. We changed the name recently from Merkator to Merkator Group because, we acquired some companies in recent years. So we are head offices in Belgium. We have offices in the Netherlands, a very nice office in Spain. Since recently, an office in Paris. For 3 years, we have operations in Dubai, in the Emirates, and we have a sales hub in the UK. And at the end of the day, that was our new tagline. Every location has a story. We bring it to life. It's simple, but it tells a lot. You can see the image on the right, from a dark neighborhood to a living neighborhood where there is internet, where there is electricity, where there is district heating. That's the kind of image we want to propel towards the world. What we do? Basically it comes to 3 disciplines that we merge. And in this room today, we have software providers, hardware providers, solution companies, and data. We think that there is a kind of sweet spot when you bring data knowledge, software, and services together. The services, that's about the people. The people are the most important asset that we have as a company. The 3 relevant products, it's Marlin, it's a digital twin, enterprise. We claim we have an enterprise-level digital twin. Eaglebe, it's a permitting system. And then Belmap, it's about data. It's a stable address data set of all the addresses in Belgium, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands. Marlin DT, a true digital twin, and the impact on ESG. The bulk of the networks today, because fiber, and especially in Spain, France, ahead of Benelux and Germany, there is still a lot of copper and coax. And what do those two have in common? They rely on energy, electricity. And when people think about fiber, it's about speed. Fiber, speed. But 70% less energy consumption per gigabit. If you remove all that copper from the underground, it's much better for our planet. And Marlin, you have 3D, 4D, 5D, and 6D. Because in those type of companies, it's important to know what was there in the past, also what's in the present, and what will be there in the future. Because designing a network is happening now, but building the network, that can take perhaps 2 years. So you need those 3 extra dimensions in your system. And that's the ambition we have with Marlin DT. ESG, the social component, is a little bit in the dark sometimes. And that's also about fiber. Internet access for everyone, everywhere. Belmap, it's a data product of that company we acquired called HIM. I didn't see a market for reselling data. But then I saw that the telecom operators were using the commercial data from HIM. Those telecom companies need much more than an address. Not an address of 3 weeks ago, no, the new address of today. HIM developed a product on top of the data provided by the government. It's more than 50 data sources, and today, besides, I think 90% of the Belgian telecom operators use the data, also the big insurance companies and banks start using that data because they know it's current. 2 days ago, I said, what are the global 5 trends, please? And it came back with those names. I did not invent it. Renewables, electrification, cloudification, which is more an IT trend, data booming, and smartization. And I said, that's what we do. I will repeat Dean to say, the where is indeed everywhere in a rapidly changing geopolitical context. As optimists, we will look to it and see how we can anticipate on it. But one thing we know, that we as a company, we serve the primary needs of the stakeholders. We need internet, we need warm houses, homes, we need electricity, And those markets will be there a century and 2 centuries from now. So it's like a very safe market to be. Let's be humble and invent a quote myself. Geodata maps your world. ESG commitment ensures it remains worth mapping. Thank you.